Hi guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews and I have a Glamour jewelry box for you. Okay, so let's see what is in the April box. Glamour jewelry box, by the way, is like $30 a month and you get 3 pieces. Ooh, and I see lots of rose gold and some cute earrings. Oh, I love these. Very cute, right? Super cute. I love them. Okay, let's see what else. This looks like a bracelet. Ooh, oh, I like this a lot. So it's another one of those, you know, the squishy tie things. I have so many of these now. Isn't that so pretty? I love it. Okay, and then the necklace. Ooh, this is kind of interesting. What the heck? Okay. Oh, okay, so it's got like a knot and then these teardrop jewels. Wow, that's actually really pretty. I like this a lot. Oh, it just broke. Oh no, really? What the heck, dude? Well, anyway, you don't even need the claspy thing. There we go. See, this shirt is kind of distracting, but it's cute, right? Oh, I love it. Yeah, I think honestly, even if I can't fix that because this does fit over my head, I can just take off this claspy thing and then, you know, just link a couple of the links together to make it one whole thing. So not a big deal. I can absolutely salvage the situation. And I love it. I love the knot with the little dangles. It'll look really cute on a shirt that doesn't have a bunch of big printing on it. That was my bad. So anyway, beautiful pieces as always. I will leave all of the information in the description box if you guys would like to sign up for a Glamour jewelry box. It is a fabulous subscription box. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.